Well, he's about to make. Oh! Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Addy and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be reacting to Windbreaker episode 8 and episode 9. So for those of you who are new to my channel, if you guys do end up enjoying this video, do remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys got any time, and do remember to hit that notify button, guys, because that will mean a lot to me. So without wasting any time, guys, we're going to jump straight into this episode. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, he's not going all out or something apparently. I mean, there's a lot he doesn't know, man. He just wants his boy to go back to normal when he first met him. That's crazy, man. It's not a home for... Oh, okay. My boy's not even fazed by any of that. Wow, this OST is amazing, man. What the hell? That sounds so good. Wow, man. Into a totally unjustified fight. Wow. Go to the mountains. Huh? What? Let's go to the mountains. Cool enough that I want to fight you, okay? Damn. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Sakura. Let's go. That struck a chord. Wow, man. Wow. Holy shit. Wait, was he? Oh, I love how they did that, man. Wow, man. This OST is just insane, bro. Oh my god. This dude looks so cold. So cold, man. So cold. Wow. Oh! Good at pissing people off. Woo! Oh, he's ready. He's ready. Yo, this is fire, bro. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, they're going crazy! Oh, they're throwing! Yo! Oh my god! They're going, they're going at it, bro! Non-stop! They're loving this shit. Let's go. Yo. Let's go, man. Hell yeah. Oh my god, bro. These guys are going crazy. Crazy. Ooh. Oh my god, you see that uppercut, bro? Yo, Sakura's going crazy. Damn, no way. No way. Yo, these guys are crazy. Boom. Ah, he's about to clock. Wow. Wow, man. That's crazy. Oh my god. Keep getting smoother. Damn, he's getting better as they fight. Yo, this is insane, bro. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my. Yo, the bro got knocked out. Oh my god. Yo, they knocked each other out? Oh, no, he's still up. Wow, man. My man's enjoying this. Oh shit. Yo, what's about to happen, bro? Damn, dude. Oh, they're about to. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Yo, they're going crazy. They're going crazy. They're going crazy. Oh, they punched each other? Oh, you should have done that. Oh, wait. What's that? Oh, he's about to clock him. Yo! Oh! Oh, he got him. He got him. Damn, bro. Did he like just give up, or did Sakura just clock him first? Give up. Oh! Yo! Oh my god! Oh, I thought he knocked him out cold, bro. Thought he knocked him out cold. Man just got straight up. Wow. Wow. Wow, man. All right, here we go, man. Umemiya and Choji. Yo! Oh, let's go. Hey, he's serious. Hey, you got the serious voice now. He's about to get for real. Oh, Umamiya. You gotta slap some sense into Choji, man. Oh, I'm ready. Let's go, Umamiya. Yo, he's just like blinded. He's just blinded by being the strongest. By thinking he's the strongest. Yo! Yo, Umamiya, bro. I think he has to feel him out first. He's like Choji's like a wild child right now. Yo! Come on, Umamiya, let's go. Yo, Choji is crazy, bro. Oh my lord. Oh! Well, he's about to make... Oh! What was that? Yo, he's gonna turn up. What? What? Oh my god, what? Hey, we're going straight to the next episode, man. I'm not saying nothing. All I'm saying is Umamiya is a beast. We just saw how crazy he turned up on Choji. His nose just started bleeding out of nowhere. Yo, man, the crazy thing is Umamiya hasn't even taken his coat off. Oh, yo, straight on the... Woo! Yo! There's no emotions. Nothing behind him. There's nothing behind him, man. I think once he does get it, then it'll get interesting. And I don't know, man. I don't know if it's just me. I feel like Umamiya has, like, he's not going like 100%. Like, he's not going all out on him. Like, he's just kind of tanking a lot of these punches and a lot of these hits. Boom! Oh my god! Yo! Yo, Umamiya is no joke, man. Bro, Umamiya is not going all out. He's not going all out. He's like trying to teach him a lesson. If he was going all out, he wouldn't even be taking these hits, bro. Damn, he's getting to him, bro. He's getting to him, bro. He's getting to him. Oh, that's gotta hit. Oh, he's getting to his head, bro. Let's go. Make a face like that. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say, bro. It's getting to him, bro. He's going crazy. He just pull his hair out. Damn. Yo. Yo, it's yo. Oh, Mamiya, bro. He's just letting him hit. Oh, Mamiya just letting him hit him, bro. It's the Umamiya style, baby. The Umamiya style. He's gonna take these hits like it's nothing. Hey, it's the Umamiya style, just talking to the opponent and getting and taking hits. Yo! He just bit his neck, bruh. Yo, what the? It was all a misunderstanding. Oh, what? Damn. Punch his head way. Damn. He had his friends. He had his people. Damn. Wow, man. Oh, out cold. He's out cold. That's game. That's game, bro. He knew what he came here for, and he got it done. It wasn't even a fight. It was teaching him a lesson, waking him back up. Oh, that's what all the glass is for. All the shattered glass. It was Togame trying to like keep everything together, trying to piece everything together and keep everyone connected still. He didn't want that glass to break. He didn't want to lose those connections, lose that bond. So he kept trying to rebuild and rebuild and rebuild. And it just made him feel the way he was feeling this entire time. I'm glad that he does. I'm glad that Umamiya really just slapped some sense in him, man. Made him realize what he was doing and what he was doing wrong. Damn. That's crazy. Man, Togame must be happy, bro. He must be so happy that he realizes it now. Umamiya just standing there, bro. He's just chilling. Wow. Are they still gonna fight? Like, what's going on? Nah, I don't think he's gonna do that, bro. I don't think he's gonna. Whoa, hold up, bro. Nah, he's not gonna take it from him. I knew it. Yeah, he's gonna make him hold on to the crew. A get together. I'm dead, bro. Thanks for coming. That's crazy. Damn, just like that, man. Umamiya style. That's crazy. Yo, man, these two episodes are crazy. Umamiya style, as we all saw, it's pretty much talk no jutsu. It's talk no jutsu. He will tank hits. He'll fight a little bit. He won't go all out. Just take hits, and then he's just gonna talk his opponent back to normal. That's the Umamiya style. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure like Umamiya was not going all out 100% in this fight because he knew he didn't have to with someone like Choji. Choji is definitely strong, but he just wanted, he just wanted him to, come back to the way he used to be. Help him realize where he went wrong, help him realize that his crew's still there, that Togumi's still there who's been looking out for him and trying to keep everybody afloat. But yeah, it's great. It's great that he was able to do that, man. That was crazy. I really want to know, like, when is Umemiya actually going to take a fight serious and go all out? I don't know. We still got a couple more episodes left, so I'm not sure what's going to be going down in the next set of episodes, but these 2 episodes are absolutely insane. Umemiya is a beast. He's a beast. He's a complete beast. And knowing that this dude is the same voice actor for Gojo, it makes sense that he's a beast. Honestly, like, he can't not be a beast. Like, he has to be. So yeah, Sakura's fight in the last episode with Togame, absolutely insane. They went at it. Like, hand-to-hand combat was insane in that. Yeah, man. The OST in this show is so good, man. I don't know. I'm very surprised. I was very surprised listening to the OST. Like, I already love, like, the animation and the character designs, but the OST is really, 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 really good. I really enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to seeing the next set of episodes, man. I've been kind of lacking on the show, but not watching as many episodes as I should be. But I definitely want to finish this off and see where this ends, where this first season ends. And yeah, guys, these 2 episodes are absolutely great. I loved it. So once again, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, do remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys have any time on your hands, and do remember to hit that notify button because that would mean a lot to me. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next reaction video. Peace.